I love my love in secret. This is a tune found in country dance music collections before Robert Burns was born. It was published by James Oswald and William McGibbon. And it was an old song, Burns had the first verse and chorus from the old song, and he added a second, cobbled in a second verse, which he borrowed an image from another old song. And I'll tell you more about that after I sing it. My sandy brak a piece of gowd, he broke a piece of gold. My sandy gied to me earring was a beset with diamonds fine, but I gave him a far better thing. I gave my heart and pledge to his ring. My Sandy, oh, my Sandy, oh, my bonny, bonny Sandy, oh. Though the love that I owe to thee I dare not show, yet I love my love in secret, my Sandy, oh. My Sandy brak a piece o' gowd, while doon his cheeks the saut tears rowed. He took a hauf and gied it to me, and I'll keep it till the hour I die. My Sandy, oh, my Sandy, oh, my bonny, bonny Sandy, oh. Though the love that I owe to thee I dare not show, yet I love my love in secret, my Sandy, oh. Okay. The old song is called Logio Buchan, and the lines from that are he took a white saxpence and bracket and twa and gave me the hauf out when he gaed awa. So Burns changes this to a piece of my sandy brak a piece of gowd, while down his cheeks the saut tears rolled. He took a half and gave it to me, and I'll keep it till the hour I die. The hour I die is a nice poetic touch because we're used to hearing the day I die. And it really kind of very specific, focused sense of passion in that line. But it must be said that we have a ring. We already have a love token in the first verse with diamonds, and we really don't need this second one. Also, you know, while down his cheeks the salt tears rolled, that's not really the language of folk song. That's the language of the sentimental novel, of which Burns was a fan, but it's not one of his better cobbles. And he never claimed to have written the song. He was just throwing in another verse so people could sing the melody again, and sent it to his publisher, the Scots Musical Museum. But scholars have been digging out what he contributed to what for over 200 years now. He did contribute a bit to the work on the song, but it's not a Burns song. So that's it. Please subscribe and be well.